Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making banana bread. As soon as your bananas start getting these little brown dots, it's time to make banana bread, okay? Because now they are more juicy and sweeter than the regular bananas. So let's get to it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Joanne and today I'll be showing you my I need help. I look at me crazy instead of helping. And today I will be showing you my favorite banana bread recipe. It's literally the best banana bread in the entire world. You don't believe me? To ask my coworkers because they're literally bribing me to make them banana bread right now. So here we are. You need 4 bananas, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do is mash all the bananas like your life depends on it because it may. I don't know, girl. I'm new here. You might as well break in 1 egg because you're already doing the mashing and mixing. You have to work smarter, not harder. Wash your hands, you nasty. Put in ½ a cup of organic coconut milk. This is my favorite brand. I'm going to use honey instead of sugar because we're all about high quality, organic. You don't want to mean. I'm kidding. Girl, we are going to be using honey instead of sugar, but if you want to use sugar, girl, do you, boo, do you. I put almost a cup. I'm not measuring because I don't want to deal with honey. Like transferring in a cup and then putting it from the cup and then putting it in the bottle. You know what I'm talking about. House is about to smell amazing. You have no idea. 1 stick of butter, which is like ½ a cup of butter. What I have in my hand is melted butter. Add that in there. Next thing we need is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is where the magic is at. You need a dash of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. That is what makes it taste a little bougie. Like it's kind of like the zhuzh, you know, zhuzh it up. Don't be doing too much, especially with the nutmeg. Don't do too much, girl, because it's going to taste like ass. When it comes to vanilla extract, there is no measuring. Girl, go crazy. I need 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt.
Don't use regular salt. Don't say I didn't tell you. I'm kidding. You can use regular salt.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Thanks. Alright, I mean, if you are being conservative, you can use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, but that does not happen in this household. So we just go in there. That stuff is actually not cheap. So maybe use 1 vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Ooh, this smells good. Now, as soon as it looks very soupy like that, the soup looks a little questionable. As soon as it looks like that, it's time to put in your flour. How much flour do we need, you may ask? 2 cups. We need 2 cups flour. Anyway, so this is our mixed. Do not over mix it. This is what it should look like once you're done, because I can also see that I have a little bit, like a couple chunks of bananas. This is the best part. We are going to measure 1 cup of chocolate chips, but listen, when it comes to chocolate, there is no such thing as too much chocolate. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm just going to do 1 cup. Okay, so we mix in our chocolate chip. That's some really good. You wanna try it? It's not like regular chocolate chips. It's like crunchy. What we have here is a mix of a bunch of things that are about to turn into banana bread. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in a. Where is my baking pan? This is very satisfying. my money. Take my money. You guys, this is the best parchment paper I've ever seen in my life. I don't know the measurement of this parchment paper, but it fits exactly in the baking pan. And if you're a baker, you know how annoying it is to make sure that you find. Anyway, you know, you get the point. So I'm going to put my bread in here. Oh, okay, figure out how to sit it down. Babe, I'm going to need your help. Baking is a family sport, I guess. Right?
Alright.
So we pour everything in there. Oh my god, this is heavy. I think you need to help me hold it now, the pan. Ooh. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Put your back into your excitement.
I'm still thinking this is gonna come crashing to the floor.
What? The
glass bowl.
The mixing bowl? You can't have that. Don't say that. Now I'm thinking it. Okay, you have to do this because it removes the air gaps that are already in the bread, so don't skip that step. And then put it in the oven for 45 minutes, okay? We're going to check on it on 45 minutes, and if it's still not yet ready, then we put it for another 15 minutes, which is basically 1 hour. Alright, it's been 45 minutes, and I'm going to check if our banana bread is ready, and clearly it's not. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if it comes out like that, you have to put it back in the oven. But what I'm going to do now is cover the top to make sure that it doesn't get burned in the oven. So yeah, 15 minutes later, it's definitely going to be perfect.